Atheists claim an Indiana high school football coach broke the law by praying with his team. An attorney from the Freedom from Religion Foundation writing to the school district saying, quote, it is illegal for the public schools athletic coaches to lead their teams in prayer, participate in student prayers, or to promote religion to students.
Video from 2014 is raising new questions about Wright's high school football coach, Andy Hape, and his post-game prayer. So where does this go from here? Michael Berry is the Deputy General Counsel for First Liberty Institute. They're dealing with other cases, not this specific one, involving prayer at school, including the famous Coach Kennedy case. Good morning. We appreciate you being here. And I wonder, what stands out about this case to you?
Well, sadly, at First Liberty Institute, we see things like this happening all across the country. You've got a group from Wisconsin who sends a letter to a school bullying them to try to censor religion. The problem is, if in this case the students are the ones initiating and leading the prayers, you can't censor the students. You can't stop them from praying. They're protected by the First Amendment.
It's interesting. I watched the video of the prayer, and as a parent, I'm thinking of teenagers. I'm thinking, wow, there's a lot of worse things that teens could be doing. But what I find interesting is that you're here protecting the rights of the students. They have a First Amendment right to do this, correct?
That's absolutely right. You know, the FFRF, the Freedom from Religion Foundation, seems to be obscuring the facts here. A statement from the school said that, you know, the past practice has been corrected, and now every prayer is student-initiated and student-led. If that's true, then if the students' religious beliefs compel them to, you know, make a circle and even stand near their coach, they absolutely have a right to do that, and the coach is under no obligation to flee the scene just because the students want to pray near him.
We have a statement from the school superintendent there in Indiana. Quote, our coach was there supporting his players. That's what we expect, and that's what we love about our coaches and all of our employees. So you can see the support there from the school. That's important, Michael. But where does this go from here? I mean, is this a junk lawsuit, or is this something that's actually going to have an impact and they're going to stop coaches like this from being able to pray with their team?
Well, you know, look, if any student, teacher, coach, etc., thinks that their constitutional rights have been violated, then I encourage them to go to firstliberty.org. We represent people for free of charge in cases just like this, as we mentioned, the Coach Kennedy case and others all across the country. We've got to stop these bullying tactics from organizations that are trying to censor religion out of our public places.
Thank you. It's so important. You're protecting the religious liberty in this country. You're protecting the rights of students who often feel like they don't have rights when it comes to these situations. It's very, very important. Thank you for your work. And I hope that those schools do call you if they're facing this kind of bullying, both on their coaches and their students. Thank you.